So I want to take a moment to talk about home security. In today's day and age, everything is all changing. We have so many different things that are going on in our environment. Security is one thing, but peace of mind is really the best. A few moments ago, I just got a text and it said, "Whoa, someone came down my driveway." Well, I pulled out my phone and with my app, I was able to see I was the Schwann's guy, which is great because now I know for a fact that he swung out, and I also know that no one bought anything because no one's home. So home security, when my kids get home, I get a text. They're a little bit younger, and the second they open the door, my security system lets me know that, hey, they're home. Well, I have cameras in my home as well as around my home. So the second they walk into the mudroom area, I get a notification that each one of the boys get there. There's nothing better that when, in my case, I live a little bit outside of town and I have that peace of mind to know that everybody's there safe. But what's great is after they get into the house, the doors automatically close, the garage door does, the doors lock, and the alarm system can rearm to a stay mode. So when it comes to security, you have so many different things that are on the market today. And you have professionals or you have the DIY. I don't fault anybody who wants to try it on their own. But when it comes to a professional, we know how things are going to work together and how one hand washes the other. So we were gone just recently and we were able to see exactly how much snow we were going to come home to from Florida, and knowing that we didn't really want to come home with all that snow. That's just one of the things, is that your alarm system can work hand in hand with your camera system, and the DIY side just doesn't have that synergy, you could say. So what we offer is we listen to you, we find out what you're most concerned about, and we customize the system for you. Where the DIY in most cases are what's called a compression system. So what that means is that if any door or window opens, then it will go off and not necessarily protect the environment. So some things to look at when you're doing home security is, one, how much does it cost? Is it for me? And are you looking for the customized a la carte system, or are you looking for the noisemaker? We're not so much just the noisemaker. What we are here at Audio Extremes is we listen to you. We find out exactly what you're looking for and we deliver it for you. We carry some of the best manufacturers in the security world today, from Honeywell, Claire Controls, and many others. What we offer is we once again listen to our customer. If they're looking for something more simple and once again hardwired, we make sure to make that happen. When it comes to home security, our client's imagination is our only limitation. So if you want to know exactly when someone comes down your driveway, we can deliver it for you. Our camera systems are on-site storage, so there's no additional fees that the customer has to invest in. Our monitoring for the systems are some of the lowest in the area. We're not here to make money on monitoring for our customers. We're here to give our customers the service that they want, as well as the equipment that makes their life simple and easy and welcoming. If security is something that you truly want to have for yourself and your family, give us a call.